The journey of silk farming begins with the female silk moth laying eggs that hatch into larvae called caterpillars or silkworms. The most common silk moth in silk farming is the mulberry silk moth. The silkworms feed on mulberry leaves and grow 1,000 times heavier than their initial weight. After about 4 weeks, these silkworms are ready to develop into pupa, but first they need a protective covering for themselves. After 4 weeks, the caterpillars stop eating and swing their heads around, forming the figure of 8. The caterpillars secrete a single continuous protein fiber which, when exposed to air, hardens to form the silk fiber. This silk fiber is woven as a net around the body of the caterpillar, thereby transforming it into a pupa with a covering of silken fiber. This is called a cocoon. Do you know how the silken fiber is obtained from these cocoons? To obtain the fiber, the pupae inside the cocoons are killed. This is done by exposing them to sun, steam, or boiled water. This loosens and separates the silk fiber of the cocoon. Special machines are then used to unwind the fibers of silk from the cocoons. These fibers then form long silk threads. This process is called reeling of the silk. The next step in the processing of silk is spinning. Spinning involves joining the silk fibers from 4 to 8 cocoons, twisting them and further combining them with more twisted fibers, forming the silk yarn.